Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
You are doing your duty very nicely. Your dharma means an occupational duty. Suppose you are an engineer. You are doing duty very nicely. Or a medical man, or a businessman, or anyone. Everyone has to do something. You cannot sit down idly and you get your livelihood. Even if you are a lion, you have to work. Nahi suptasya singhasya pravishanti mukhe mriga. This is the material world is like that. Even if you are as powerful as a lion, you cannot sleep. If you think, I am lion, I am the king of the forest, let me sleep, and the animal will come and enter in my mouth. No, that is not possible. Even if you are animal, you have to catch up the animal, then you will be able to eat. Otherwise you will have to starve. Therefore Krishna says, Niyata kuru karmatyam karmadhyayo akarmana. You must do your duty. Sarira jatrapite na prasiddhe tapnava. Don't think the rascal says the Krishna consciousness movement is teaching people to escape. That becomes, no, that is not Krishna's instruction. We do not allow any lazy man. He must be engaged. That is Krishna consciousness. That is Krishna's order. Niyata kuru karma. Arjuna was refusing to fight. He was trying to be non-violent gentleman. Krishna did not allow him. No, you cannot do that. That is your weakness. Kutaste kasmalamidam visamesam. You are proving yourself rascal. It is anarja distam. This kind of proposal is for the anarja, uncivilized man. Don't do that. That is Krishna. So don't think that Krishna consciousness movement, those who are Krishna conscious, they become lazy and imitate Haridas Thakur. That is not Krishna consciousness. Krishna consciousness means, as Krishna instructs, you must be very, very busy 24 hours. That is Krishna consciousness. Not to become a lazy fellow, eat and sleep. No. So, this is dharmasya glani. But you have to change your angle of vision. In the material condition life, your aim is how to satisfy your senses. And Krishna consciousness means you have to work in the same spirit, same vigor, but you have to satisfy Krishna. That is spiritual life. Not that to become lazy fellow. The difference is, as it is said by author Krishnadas, Atmendriya tripti mancha taranam kam. What is kam? Kam means when one desires to satisfy his own senses. That is kam. Krishnandriya tripti mancha dhare prem nam. And what is prem? Prem means when you engage to yourself for satisfying Krishna's senses. Why gopis are exalted? Because their only endeavor was to satisfy Krishna's senses. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommended Brahma Kasi Upasana Brajabadhu Varga Bija Kalpita. They had no other business. Vrindavan means those who are in Vrindavan, if they actually want to live in Vrindavan, their business would be how to satisfy the senses of Krishna. That is Vrindavan. And not that I am living in Vrindavan and trying to satisfy my senses. That is not Vrindavan. That that kind of living is, there are so many monkeys, dogs and hogs also, they are in Vrindavan. Do you mean to say that they are living in Vrindavan? No. So anyone who wants to satisfy senses in Vrindavan, their next life is dogs, hogs and monkeys. You must know that. So one should not try to sense gratify in Vrindavan, that's a great sin. Simply try to satisfy Krishna's sense.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,